Take a look at the screen. There's a red, blue, and yellow pencil. It's very easy to tell the difference between them. And it would be very interesting if we had red melting into blue, melting into yellow. However, if we were to change the value and take away all of the color, not so much. So it's really important for each time you paint a section that you include both a value change and a color change. If you don't have a color change and a value change, your work will be boring. Every shape, change a color and value. Now take a look at this watercolor painting, and you will see that it's very interesting to look at because there are changes in color and in value. But now I'd like you to take a look at the actual weave of the paper, what we call the tooth. Watercolor paper makes your work look extraordinarily brighter, and this is why. I've put this under a magnifying glass, and you can see that there are hills and valleys, and the surface of the paper really looks like it's made out of separate pieces of hair or fiber, because it is. And when you apply paint to this area, you will find that the top areas will absorb colors differently than the valley areas. So look very carefully and you will see why your work looks so much better on watercolor paper than it does when you look at it on plain old paper that you used to use, the Xerox paper. The Xerox paper doesn't have that same texture. The color will look much brighter and much more vivid from this point forward.